Hey, Nicholas back. I'm back in my house after the Brits. Just watched the Brits, by the way. Well, most of it. I'm in my house, doing my house stuff. Right, we're back with Puppy Linux S15, which means Slackware. 15 Pup 64, but this one's called 22.12+3t. I don't even want to know, to be honest with you. But maybe because it's 3 months on, or Mr. T's made it, or something like that. I cannot find no documentation also of what it's done, to be honest with you. So we'll just have a quick look, shall we, while we're here, because I've got another couple of videos on the go for tonight, so you'll see these in sequence. Anyway, installed to the VirtualBox hard drive. I was going to put on a USB stick, but I thought, we'll just keep it to the box for now until I'm really happy with it. So anyway, usual bar, as you can see. So file manager, as you can see, it's all there. Blah 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 blah. Go to home, go up. It's all there. Everything I need is there. Okay. I have installed some stuff to make sure everything was working. Now, unfortunately, some things are not working. Okay, correctly. So I've had to do a workaround basically. So anyway, I'll show you what I've done anyway with this version. I mean, I could have upgraded the last one because these are frugal installs. If you've never used Puppy before, go and look at the documentation and they'll explain to you what a full or frugal installation is. Basically, a frugal, you can change whatever you want, basically, at the end of the day. If I go to my applications, right, under Internet, I've got most of the browsers, okay? So I've got Chrome, Chromium, Firefox. I could have got another one as well, but I just couldn't bother off that, to be honest with you. Now, the problem I had was with the documents. Now, as you can see, I have got LibreOffice here, but I had a bit of a workaround for this one. A bit of a pain up the posterior, shall we say, because on its own, it only comes with Happy Word and G-Numeric. As you can see, that's Happy Word. And if we go up here to our things here, I'm not sure if it's changed yet. Our word processor is still Happy Word. Our spreadsheet is G-Numeric, as you can see. Our paint program is MPaint, which is very capable actually, so don't knock it before you try it. And on the end here we have the text editor, which should be GD, okay? Right, I did manage to install documents, LibreOffice. If I go to the LibreOffice Writer, as you can see, blah 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 blah. It'll take a little while. I'll have a little bit of drinkage while it's doing that. I'm doing this real fresh. I've not tried these programs before doing the video. Obviously, once you've used them once, they come up really good. So let me have a bit of drinkage of this beautiful, beautiful Dorset apple juice. It's beautiful. A good year that was. Anyway, so if I go to my fonts, there are plenty of fonts in the LibreOffice, okay? You ain't got to worry about anything, okay? So we'll get rid of that. Anyway, the problem we have is this. LibreOffice and some larger programs, and the browsers actually are installed via an SFS file system, which is Squash Format System or something like that. So if I go to Document, it says Get LibreOffice Download. Okay, we go there. Blah blah blah. I need to be connected to the internet. Blah blah blah. It will open 2 windows. It does, and you can be downloaded in an SFS or a TZX file or TXS file. Okay, so we'll click OK. It'll open our browser up. Okay. If we click here, look what happens. We get to that page. Then if we click here again, and I'll just go to the, I'll go to the pet file. Okay. I'll bet it'll see. There's nothing there. So this update is so new, whoever's doing the old thing is not updated, I think. Okay. If I go to the SFS, that's not the Linux Gestapo, by the way. So I had to do a workaround and find somewhere where I could find it. So did I go here? I might have gone there. I'm not sure. I might have done that, yeah. Anyway, I found a way around it and managed to get it installed, okay? So that's one thing that's not working. Remember, you have to load your SFS files. So if I go to here and I go to Install Applications and Load and Unload, as you can see, I've got Chromium, Chrome, Firefox and LibreOffice. They all load on boot. You can take them out anytime you want to. If you don't want to use them, you can just take them out. Yeah, that's the way Puppy works. I've been using Puppy now for well, I have more here, put it that way. You know what I'm saying? So that was one of the first problems, but I'm not knocking it for the simple reason it only came out yesterday, and I'll just see it flashed up. I just can't find any documentation of what's been upgraded, but I imagine that will come very, very soon. Anyway, moving on. Fun. You can play Doom. Yeah, I'm going to quickly open it up for you so you can see a little bit of Doom. There you go. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to Game, and I'm going to click on OK, and then we're going to go to Continue, and click OK, and this is what we get. This is the free Doom. Okay, free Doom. 2001 to 2017. Okay, fair enough. I can deal with that. And you can go new game, load games, save game, options. It does play really, really well. If you like old school games, you're going to love this. Yeah, and I just got a big yaw in the back. So yeah, it does work. I'll go back to the Puppy package manager again. Remember, you must update this. I'm going to show. Did I show you how to do that last time? No, I didn't, did I don't think. So I'll go to the Puppy package manager, and we're going to go to this little swirly 2-arrow thingy-majig here. We want to update our package database. You just click on there, and you click your enter key. It will download all the latest stuff that Puppy can use. Well, this version, the Slackware version. I am really... Oh, PPM is already running. Exiting. Okay, will it come back up? Maybe not. Okay. Another error, maybe. Okay, back to the manager. Yep, that's fine. Okay. So, say you wanted to find... Obviously, simple screen recorder is here. But say you want to, do something to do with multimedia. Okay. And this is what comes up in the separate repositories that Puppy can use at the moment. And there's plenty here, but I just couldn't find a decent music. Oh, Asunder is this, by the way. Shall I show you how we do that? Oh, go on, then I'll do it. I love you that much. So, Asunder, if you like your music and you want to rip your music to your hard drive and play it via a super duper 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 DAC, this is what you got to do. So I'm going by the step-by-step install. It will normally say auto-install, but I like to do it by the step-by-step because I'm old. Okay, so we're going to click do it. It says, oh, that's how much you need. Okay, install package. And we'll then go here. We're going to download the package. It will download all the stuff we need. Remember, Asunder is a really tiny program, but it's got so much in it. So, by the way, the greyed out things on the screen, you'll get used to. It's just one of those things. You can use Puppy on a full system, guys. There isn't... I did it for over a year, to be honest with you. I'll come to that story really, really soon in the next week or two. I keep saying I'm going to do that tonight. But I will come to that story because I'll get that hard drive out and show you the drive and what I used. Okay. So we click OK. That is now installed. So we close down the Puppy package manager. We go to multimedia. And you should, in theory, there is Asunder is here. Oh. So we need to install CD Paranoia to get that to do it. I won't do that now, but it is in the repos, so you can do that. So I would like to know what they've updated. All I will say, it's a little bit smoother than the last one we did about a month ago. Yeah, about a month ago. Must be about at least a month ago. Maybe even longer. It's a lot smoother, a lot perkier. The actual visuals on the screen are great, so I can't knock it. So yeah, I can advise you to go and download this, put it on a stick and give it a go. Just put it on a stick. Don't install it to a hard drive. Just get yourself a 16 gig drive stick. It'll do it with an 8 gig stick, to be honest with you. Just go and have a play. And I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun playing around with this. And may use it more than your main drive. Yeah. Sneaky Linux out. I'll see you later. Bye bye.